My name is Stan Taub. We're here today to look at this creation of mine, which I built in 1978. It's called the Lochness Monster. It's a submarine. It's a creation, it's an improvisation actually. It was created from scratch on an idea that I got to build a 5 or 6 foot submarine out of plastic acrylic. And let me explain what this is here. The head of the submarine is this head here. It's a turtle head. My son loves turtles, so I created a turtle head for him to admire and play with. This is the switch that turns on the lights of the creature, of the submarine. And as we go further back, we have pedals. We have these ailerons which go up and down automatically and also electronically. And as we continue, we see there are 2 rockets in a launching position that are seated inside these silicone tubes, which grab them sufficiently to make them waterproof, and they will shoot off at a signal. Here we have an additional light for the sub, and they go on and off. This here is the a propeller and a rudder, and these covers, they call them gym caps. You buy them in a hardware store, and they're for watertight containers. You can tighten them up so whatever's inside is insulated from the water. Today, we're going to test the submarine out of the pool and shoot the rockets off. Should be pretty exciting.